Hi guys, here we are at Claypole level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe Thorpe and Andrew. Look at the way it goes down. Then clonk. Right, the time now is 10:13 on Friday the 31st of October 2014. My last video was at least not even a minute ago. Crossing did the Brayford. And this is for our 10:15, 1 Delta 07 East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. So we are coming from this way. And our signal is already set. And the permanent green resting signal has just gone double amber. I was just about to say it's on amber, but it just turned double amber. And then at 10:28, after that I'm leaving to go to Oster. Before Paul gets here. The signal's just gone green now. Still on 100%. On my phone. Here she is. What the heck's that? Oh, there's a rat on the track. Right on the track that the train's coming on. Oh, it's run away. It just ran away. We've got 91 at 129. 82 219 and up they go.
The camera on it, I've got 80, so
Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next video.